First thing I cooked was fried fish, and I made sure to come out into my yard and announce it to the entire neighborhood that me a fry. My guest now wants to educate others on how they can take everyday items in the kitchen and create masterpieces. Chef Maria Reid joins us from the Big Apple, but she's not making no apple this morning. Maria, walk on. Morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Morning, Neville. How you doing?
I am very well. Give thanks. So you left us a long time ago. Tell me about that move. Tell me about the move, because you left Jamaica when you were about 10 or 11, right?
Yeah.
Yes, but I'm reading that you started to cook at 6 years old.
Big chef. Big chef level.
I want to know money, man.
Funny enough, I started before that, but you know, the fish was my champion move, you know?
Had you really go to the yard and ball and say you're fried?
What? Of course, I had to. Everybody has to know.
Then people never think say it's absolute idiot.
They tell me about it till this day.
Where did the love of the kitchen of cooking come from in the first place?
You know, actually, I can't really say. I've always really loved food. Always loved food. And as I moved here to this country, the different types of foods that I was surrounded by, the culture in New York, the diversity, I knew for sure, and I love my belly, okay? So I knew for sure that it was something that I had to do.
Yeah, but you obviously were at school and all kinds of stuff. So when did you take it seriously? When did you become a chef?
Well, I went to junior high school here for culinary. And then I went to high school for culinary. I had to choose because my mother wasn't with that. It was either nursing or teaching or something like that, because being a chef it wasn't, you know, the big job. And I decided after high school, I had to do this. This was something that I loved. This was something that I was good at. And to me, I thought it was a gift. And I just hopped on it. Yeah. Went to college. Went to New York City College of Technology, and I got my degree in hospitality management, and it was history from there. I'm growing still.
Well, congrats. So what do? You have a restaurant, you cater, what do you do? Are you just cooking?
Right now, I have a company called Mobay Hut, and I had to stay close to home. That's why I came up with that name. And since I'm from Montego Bay, I thought it was only right that I name it Mobay Hut.
All right. And you are a vegetarian, are you?
I don't eat meat at all.
But do you cook meat?
I don't cook. The only meat that I cook is fish.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So, and then you've never eaten meat, have you?
I've had it and I never liked it. So it was game over.
Okay. What you doing for us this morning? What you going to tell us? And talk me through it. So start, show me, talk me through it.
Got you. So right now I am doing ackee and saltfish egg roll. So I know when you go to the Chinese restaurants, they have spring rolls, shrimp rolls, but I bet you never had an ackee and saltfish egg roll. You know what I'm saying?
Show me how.
What I have here is some pre-rolled ackee and saltfish, and I have my ackee right there. The egg roll paper, I just took one out, simple, like that, and I lay it down. I have just one scoop. We're gonna be greedy this morning, so I'm gonna put another one, all right?
All right.
All right, cool. Quick and fast. And then what I have here is a little flour and water so it can stick together, right?
Okay.
I roll it up. I start and I roll the triangular corner in and the two flaps. So when I roll the two flaps in, I'm gonna put a little bit of flour water on there so it could stick, right? And then fold it in. And I just finished the rolling process. Put a little bit more flour water right here, just like that. Roll it all the way up, and it goes straight into the hot oil. Just like that.
How long you leave it in there for?
So what I usually do is I'll time it for about 6 minutes, and within that time, I'm done. Good to go. It's pretty easy. It's fun. It's good for the family. Good for the kids. You flip it over. It's bubbling right now. I know you see the pot bubbling. Big things going on now. Big things going on.
What's your favorite thing that you like to cook?
What do I love to cook? Let me tell you what I love to cook, right? I like chickpeas and rice, basmati rice. It's quick, it's easy, curry chickpeas with some little coconut milk. Listen, coconut milk is my favorite thing to use because it saves my day. I don't know what it is about it, but it does something for me. So curry chickpeas and basmati rice is my go-to.
That's it right there?
Definitely. Oh no, let me tell you what that is.
That's not it.
That I made on my own. That is brown stew vegan chicken. Let me tell you what I did, right? I was in the kitchen and I used flour and I knead it and wash out the starch out of it till I only had like the gluten. Chop that bad boy up, put some browning in there, choop choop, garlic. It was over. Boom, perfection.
I love it. You sound so impressed with yourself.
I am.
I love it. I don't know how often you come home, but you want to say hi to anyone before you leave?
Oh, definitely. I want to say hi to my brother, my sisters in Jamaica, Amanda and Christina, my aunts, my cousins. Shout out to my nail tech because my nail tech came through with the clutch. What you was in her kitchen this morning because, Lord, trust me, big up to that. So shout out to everybody, you know, everybody who's been supporting me and been in my corner for all these years. I appreciate you guys. And big up yourself, Neville, okay?
Thank you very much. By the way, show me the finished product and show me the roll, no? The roll.
You know I got you, right?
Yeah.
Right here. But bam, look at that.
It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. Package it and send it for me, please. No.
I got you. Personal.
Maria, great to see you. You're so lively this morning. You helped us here on the show to have some fun this morning. Stay safe. God bless you and look after yourself. All right?
Thank you. Thanks for having me. Bye.
Yeah, man. Chef Maria Reid in the city that never sleeps in New York. The Big Apple. We soon come. Much more on Smile after this.